Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Pontiac GTO Resto mod. And I'll read from the seller's statement at the auction. And seller stated 1965 GTO Resto mod, PHS documented GTO, new stage 2 paint, chrome, taillights and lenses, emblems, weather stripping, windshield, 17-inch wheels and new tires, new seats, door panels and armrests, door sill plates, carpet, headliner and visors, dash pad, bezel and wood, gauges, original AM radio converted to AM FM with plug-in console to stream from your phone, working Pontiac vacuum gauge, suspension and brakes, tubular front control arms, springs, shocks, rear box control arms and sway bar, new disc brake conversion up front and new rear brakes including drums and lines, new exhaust, gas tank, Pontiac 428 engine, fresh with 65 tri-power with 2 new old stock carburetors, works great including choke and high idle, matched to a Tremec TKO 5-speed for freeway cruising made easy. Petronix electronic ignition conversion as well, aluminum radiator and Pontiac flex fan. And all that, you can get it for $35,500, which is what it sold for at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And as you can tell by all the stuff that's been done, he spent a ton of money, and especially even if he did all the work himself, it was a lot more than he sold it for at $35,500. But had a lot of eyeballing and looked pretty good with the 17-inch wheels, the new Rally 2 wheels that they have. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1965 Pontiac GTO Resto mod that sold for $35,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.